Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can do multiple desktop on Windows 11. So by multiple desktop I mean like in Chrome when we have multiple tabs. For example, I've got my Chrome right here. Now, in one of the tabs, I've got my YouTube running, and in the other tab, let's just say we have Instagram running, right? So I can just switch from Instagram to YouTube whenever I want, and without YouTube knowing that I'm running Instagram. Now, we can do the same thing on Windows. So, for example, let's run Chrome on this one, right? And we want to use another browser or another application without Chrome knowing it's running in the background. So what you want to do is press on your Windows key and press on tab and create new desktop. When you create a new desktop, as you can see, my Chrome, it's not running over here. But if I go back, it is still running. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.